So here we are. Just pulled up to the Publix, and what are we talking about today, Angie?
Yeah, that's right. Today we're talking about purchasing meals for the office and seeing how those are deductible.
Gotcha. So in other words, it's not just that simple?
It's never that simple when it comes to taxes. You see, there's different types of food that you can buy at a place like Publix and maybe even non-food items. So when your good accountants see you're purchasing in Publix, we're not quite sure what it's for, and we'll demonstrate it right now.
Stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back. Hopefully we won't get kicked out for videoing in Publix. In public? Yeah, that's what I said. We're gonna get water. Get it.
Not ice.
Not ice. Trying to make a ninja shopping list. Let's go. So Angie has a personal shopping cart, and I have my business shopping cart. Yeah. Show us again. Show us again, Angie. Oh, there we go. Nice. Angie's presentation skills are really rocking it.
My best impression of one, right?
Yeah, I probably sound really muffled. So Angie's going to be buying personal items for home. We need apple cider vinegar, some fruits and veggies, and I'm going to fill up my cart with business items for work. So this is my cart. This is for business, and I'm documenting it. So we got water, we got cashew milk, we got lemons, we got Power Shots. So these are going to go for the employees. That's going for employees for like what we call the pantry. This is also for pantry, for coffee, and lemons is personal. I'm just going to have lemon water. Yes. So gift cards. This is the most important. This is really why we're having this video, because gift cards are actually considered taxable income. Depending on which one you're buying, it can either be included in part of the employee's taxable compensation, which would be the Visa, or you might end up with something very specific like a Steak Outback gift card, which is considered not specific. It's considered specific, so it would not be part of the taxable compensation. It would not be on the W-2 pay. It would end up just because they can only spend the money at the Outback, as opposed to the Visa, which they can basically use like cash. It's like giving somebody cash. They can use it for whatever they like, and that ends up on the W-2 as compensation. As opposed gift compensation, very different. But we're going to choose compensation, and we're going to buy it together with all of these items. So now this is really bringing home a great point and explaining to our viewers why shopping can be so easily misconstrued. Out of all this shopping, some of this is going to go as employee compensation, and some of it's going to go as 50% deductible pantry.
And some of it will be 100% non-deductible.
And this is all personal, but of course we're going to use different cards. We're going to use great accounting practices. I'm going to use my business card. Angie's going to use the personal card, but that's exactly why you need to contemporaneously write out your receipts, and we're going to go through that in a minute. Not in a minute, but when we get back to the office, I'm going to write out what was included as part of that shopping that I did. But this is to show you how easily items can be misconstrued. So when we as accountants are doing your bookkeeping, we can't tell what you're buying just by looking at the receipt, and neither can the IRS if you're ever audited. Just looking at the bank statement, and if all it says is Publix, nobody will ever know what it is that you bought and what the tax treatments are, because as you see, completely different tax treatments just in one shopping trip for business using a business card. And this is personal stuff using personal cards.
And even here, something like this is treated very differently than something like this.
Right.
Because this is a pantry item, 50% deductible.
Yep.
This is 100% deductible, but also included in employee payroll.
Right, it's included in employee payroll, subject to payroll tax.
Very different.
Very different. All right, stay tuned. So what do we got going on? We got Gail.
Hello.
Our new office manager.
Hi there.
Hi. How are you today?
Good.
Guess what's happening today, Gail?
What's happening today?
You're getting 2 gift certificates.
Ooh, thank you.
One for Adrian, your little baby,
Uh-huh.
and one for you.
Oh, that's very sweet. Thank
Now,
you.
we're gonna make the baby pay taxes on that.
Oh, okay. He'll appreciate that. His first taxes.
Yeah, well, actually, those are considered cash because you can
okay.
spend it on whatever you like.
That makes sense.
And whenever you're spending it on whenever you like, it becomes taxable compensation. So when you're going to be looking at your pay stub for the next time, you'll actually notice a new line, and it's going to have a little line for gift cards.
Oh, okay.
And yep, sorry to do that to you and make you pay your taxes on it.
Gotta follow the rules.
Gotta follow the rules is right. All right, Gil. Thanks so much for playing.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And we appreciate you.
Thank you.
You really make this place great.
Oh, thanks.
All right. I'll talk to you later. Get back to work.
Okay. Well, thank you.